How to use the exporting goods promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now here you're gonna find the search box. Type in the exporting good coupon and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. First up, I'm gonna show you how can you get the exporting goods promo code. Once you're on this website here, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for the exporting. Just scroll down and check out the offers. You can head towards the offer that you wanna grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code. Now I can copy the code. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can click on redeem at the exporting goods. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, you have to go ahead and log into your account. Make your purchase and proceed to checkout. While you're in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Earlier, type in this code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount in your purchase. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for the exporting. So this is how you can use the exporting goods promo code. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.